Hello to you people out there. This is Book Look who drives a truck that don't get stuck like Chuck. And right now, I got my baby girl with me. Tuck Look, who rides in a truck that don't get stuck like Chuck. And right now, Tuck Look is gonna get put on a spelling bee contest. Tuck Look, are you ready to spell some words? What? I thought you just told me you was a spelling expert.
I only know how to spell cat.
How you spell cat, girl? Spell kite for me.
C-A-T.
Okay, how you spell hat, then?
No.
How
I
you
only know how to spell three things.
spell dog, then, Gally?
Dog is D. I oh, actually H and G.
Okay, spell Y.
W. O. What? I said H on dog.
What?
I said H on dog.
You said a H on dog?
Yes.
How you spell dog? Spell that thing again for me.
I said G.
Dog.
G.
There you go. What else can you spell? Y. Spell Y.
W. H. And Y.
All right. Is there any other words you can spell? Go.
Just three.
Those the three words you know?
Yes.
Okay. Well, if you can only spell three words, just make sure you can spell those three words every single time. You know where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm proud of you for working hard in school. You'll keep on working hard in school. And before you know it, you're going to be able to spell a whole lot of words.
T. Look, I made T.
You made a T.
Yeah.
All right.
And
Well,
your name is Bolt Look that drives in the truck that don't get stuck like Chuck.
I like the way you say my name. If you going to say my name, say it right. So, this is Book Look who drives a truck that don't get stuck like Chuck. And old Tuck Look who rides in a truck that don't get stuck like Chuck. And we got to tell your paper, see you later, and we going to hit you with a yeah, shaka laka laka. We are
So
good.